I will talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your flip app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on edit profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on your photo profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you take a photo here or choose it from your library. And here can you delete it if you want. So and here can you add or change your photo profile. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.